Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a Amazon haul that I wanted to share with you. I did pick up some dies, I think 3 of them, and one is still en route to me. So I did pick up this Alina Cuddle. It's the mermaid metal die cut. So she has the metal mermaid in the front and then the shell in the back. So I believe it doesn't say how many dies are in here. No, it doesn't say how many dies. But I picked that up. Then I picked up the small sewing machine and then the large sewing machine on this one from KS Craft. And then another KS Craft, I picked up the B words. And the B words, and it's not what you're thinking, it's BEE words. So this one is Queen Bee. This one is Buzzin', Believe, and Buzzin'. And this one is Beautiful and Queen Bee. So those were the word dies that I picked up. Then I picked up some Amy Tangerine stickers. They are 744 stickers, 20 sheets in here. And as you can see, that is what is in here. I did pre-order her new sticker book that she has out, so that should be being delivered soon to me. So I picked that one up, and I picked up this Bug Glimmers and Gratitude, and it's different papers in here. So it's really cute. I think I'm gonna tear it up and put it in mine, or I might leave it like that. And then the paper play, cut, craft, and create. So here, this one you just, I think you tear out pieces that you like and put it in your book. So that's that one. So that was it for Amazon. Let me see. Oh, my husband found this. Somebody gave it to him because they didn't want to throw it out, and it's a little luggage, and it does open here, and it did have candy in it. And so I'm gonna try to take this out and put some stuff in here, or leave different candies in there. So that's that. Then I did get my Heidi Swapp order, but they sent me more than what it's supposed to. So they did send me this, but they didn't send me the stamp of the month to lay with the die. So I did get the embossing folders that they have, and I did get 2 of the Stop the Blur kits and 2 of the stamps. So this is what's in the Stop the Blur. It's little envelopes with vellum, and then this one says have a good day, live more, worry less. This one is it's the little things in life, and then everything's gonna be okay. And then it has these tabs in different colors, and it's 4 colors, as you can see, and you could put these here too to do extra tabs. Then the washi tape. Then these little envelopes, and this one has 2 pages. It opens up. Does it have 2? No, it's 1. Yeah, it's only 1. So it's these 4 colors. And then this one is the word fun. As you can see, F-U-N. Fun, love, and sun. And then these are the stickers. And then these are the outfits. So I'm just waiting for the stamp to match the die. So I think I'm gonna, well, let me show you what I ordered from Brass and Bliss. I did get the dies to match the stamps that I picked up from the classes. So this one was the coordinates with clear, and this one is Butterfly Kisses die, and then this one is Buzzy Bee die that coordinates with the stamp that I did get. Then I picked this one up, Forever in My Thoughts, You Are Blessed, Deepest Sympathy, and I picked one up to put in my giveaway. So it doesn't come with dies. And then I picked up this 6x6 cardstock paper, and it's called Java Good Time. So let me show you. There's 24 sheets. I believe, no. So you get 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of this one. This one is words. Some more words. That one is cute. Looks like every time I smoke coffee, I'm like, oh man, I can't have it. My heart starts palpitating. But I do love a cup of coffee. But I haven't drank a cup of coffee since 2018. So that's a lot of years. So, and my husband is a coffee drinker. I mean, he loves his coffee. That is it. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my Daiso haul and my AliExpress haul. Because the AliExpress haul is kind of big, and so I want time for that. And I don't want this video to be longer than 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So, as always, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. And if you are not a subscriber of mine, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I just wanted to share that I am doing a giveaway, and it's going to end in October the 1st. No one has written to me. I only got 3 entries. So if you want to enter, please let me know. My email is in that video. I will link that video in this description. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.